welcome back to my channel. My name is Vinita. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any of my videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope everybody is doing good. In today's video, I'll be showing you this beautiful decoration that you can do for your loved ones on any special occasion like Valentine's Day, surprise birthday decoration for your husband, anniversary, etc. For the first time, I've tried this canopy decoration that is so trendy these days. So without further ado, keep on watching. I'm gonna start by making this glass bottle decoration. For that, you'll need a glass bottle, red acrylic color, a small piece of sponge, Fevicol, and red glitter powder. I've taken this color in the sponge and start applying it to the glass bottle by slowly dabbing the sponge. Keep it aside to dry. Once it is dried, apply the glue coating using a brush. Then spread the glitter as shown. Keep it aside to dry. In last, apply one more coat of glue for a smooth finish. This is a A3 size stock paper on which I am drawing the letters love using a pencil. You'll need 2 of these papers and then I'll cut it. Taking this red color craft paper and this letter E, which I'll use as a stencil to draw on the red paper. Once drawn, I'll draw another small E inside the bigger one, then I'll cut the smaller E. Once cut, stick the red letter on top of the white color letter. In the same way, I'll do for the other 3 letters as well. Drawing a heart on a small piece of paper. Now I have taken this red color stock paper on which I'll be drawing the hearts using this white stencil. I've made 12 of these. This is a small piece of black color curling ribbon that I'm curling using a scissor. Then I'll split it into 2 from the end, leaving the top part. Sticking it using a glue gun. This is a 1 meter white color wool that I'll attach to this paper heart. Now using a black marker to draw some cute faces on the paper heart. You can easily find these cute heart faces on Google. Now I'll show you to make the canopy using a sari. This is a white color georgette sari which I was using as curtains earlier. So that is why I have this in two parts. If you are making it, it can be easily made from a single sari. All you have to do is take the sari, make the plaits out of it and divide it into two by simply securing the center part with an elastic band. So here I have taken the first piece and from the end of the curtain, I'll start making the plaits. Then I will secure it with a rubber elastic band. The same way I will do with the other piece. Now combining both the curtains using a satin ribbon. To make the bunch, I have taken 4 red color balloons and 1 black color balloon, inflating all one by one using a regular pump. Also, the black balloon will be of small size as compared to the other 4 red balloons. Now I will combine all of these. And last, I'll attach a curling ribbon. We'll make 3 of these. Now inflating single balloons. For the ceiling, I'll need 4 red balloons and 6 black balloons. In each balloon, I'll attach the curling ribbon. Taking a piece of cello tape, then I'll fold it in a way to make it a two-way tape. Sticking it on top of the balloon. Similarly, I'll use the two-way tape on the bunch as well. Let's have the before look of my bedroom. I have changed the bedsheet to a red color bedsheet. You can use white or black also. Let's make the canopy first. So here I'm attaching the sari to the fixed nail on my wall. You can also use the alternative of iron nails like adhesive wall hooks.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together.
Then I'll stick the paper decoration letters on the wall.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Sticking the bunch.
Sometimes you need to go.
Attaching the balloons and the paper hearts alternatively.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.
Sticking the other two bunch on each side of the bed.
Forever free, you and me, meant to be in the great
Decorating the canopy with the fairy lights.
forever free.
Now decorating with some tea lights with the glass holder, cushions. Keeping a small laptop table on the bed. This is a small tablecloth. These are battery tea lights. Keeping the glass vase with some artificial flowers in it. Rose petals are must, but first keeping this beautiful mini cake. Ta-da! We are all set. Let's have the final look. So that was the complete decoration video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you people enjoyed it, please like it and share it. It would mean so much to me because I enjoyed it too while decorating it. Also, if you are new to my channel, then please do take a moment to subscribe to it. I will see you next time. Until then, take care and bye bye. I love you people so much. Mwah.